Now for these questions, we're adding or subtracting square numbers. So for this first question, we have 8 squared plus 5 squared. Now this squared symbol, this little 2, means multiply the number by itself. So 8 squared means 8 times 8, which is 64. And 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. So if we've got 8 squared plus 5 squared, we do the squaring first, so we've really got 64 plus 25. That's 89, so that's our answer. 8 squared plus 5 squared is 89. Now we've got 10 squared minus 5 squared. 10 squared means 10 times 10, which is 100, and 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. So we've done the squaring first, so we have 100, which is 10 squared, minus 25, which is 5 squared. That's 75, so that's our answer. Now 7 squared minus 6 squared. So 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49, and 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. So we need to subtract 36, or 6 squared, from 49, or 7 squared. That's 13, so that's our answer.